Hello, welcome to the Flood the Food YouTube channel. Today we're talking about 5 mistakes that we see people make with the Sous Vide. Hello, Chris here with Flood the Food, and today we're talking about 5 mistakes we see people make with the Sous Vide. Let me tell you, I discovered a Sous Vide probably just over a year ago. Water bath, sounds disgusting, right? My wife said the same thing until she started eating food out of here and she swears by it now. Now, we use this thing for about 3 nights a week. In fact, tonight, I will be putting chicken in here in just a second after injecting it and then throwing some garlic and herb flavor seasonings on there from Meat Church, and then putting it into a poppy seed casserole. The flavor is phenomenal when it comes out of here. But let's talk about 5 mistakes we see sous vide owners make. So the first one is not enough water. So you see on this thing right here, you're gonna have a line at the bottom, you're gonna have a line at the top. That, it's important that you put the water to the minimum level or it's not going to do the job it needs to do. It's also important that the second thing we see people make is putting too much water. So don't overfill it, because that could also cause a problem there. The third thing we see comes with vacuum sealing. And I made this mistake last week, and that is I used to use the bag that was in. I didn't vacuum seal it. I got lazy. Please don't do that again.
I agree.
Not realizing there was a hole in my bacon, and what happened is when I went to sous vide it, took all the flavor out because there was a hole in it and the water got to it, and I lost all that smoke flavor that I'd used cold smoking the bacon over a course of 3 weeks. So that's 3. Number 4 is we see people get fooled when you take food out here. It can look disgusting, let's just be honest. That's where you need to finish it off either in a cast iron skillet, in a grill. You could probably even finish it off in an oven, adding some kind of sear to it. Do not let the presentation of the food when it comes out of this thing fool you. Now, the other thing that we see people do, which is number 5, is leaving food in here too long. It's recommended about 1 to 3 hours, maybe 2 to 4 hours. And once you get past that 4-hour mark, in many situations, food can start breaking down. So you want to make sure that you don't leave food in here for too long. So these are 5 mistakes that we see people make when it comes to using the sous vide. Make sure to click below to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, or comment and let us know what videos you want to see on this channel as we look at different recipes. We compare different products out there so that you're not wasting your time and your money. We can do it for you. Thank you.